Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in case you are new here, my name is Palak and I upload baking videos and music covers on this channel, and this is one of the most requested videos on my page. So without wasting any time, let's go and learn how to make stuffed garlic bread at home without yeast. Let's go! In a big bowl, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and to that add 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon baking powder, some salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs or oregano. Now give it all a good mix. Next up, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of sour curd. Please make sure that you use sour curd as it will react with the soda and help your bread rise. Next up, take 1/4 of a cup of room temperature milk. Now bring it all together and form a dough. Once you're done, your dough should look like this. Now take it out on a surface, dust some flour, and knead your dough for about 10 minutes. Once you're done, your dough should look like this. Now give it a shape like that, and take a bowl and grease it with some oil. Now keep your dough in that bowl and take some oil in your fingers and just grease your dough like that. Now cover it with a cloth and keep it aside for about an hour. Meanwhile, in a bowl, take some butter and add some garlic cloves and mixed herbs to it and mix it. Now keep that aside. When your dough is proofed, just take it out and roll it out like that. The thickness should be about 1 centimeter, or you can say about as thick as a thick paratha. Once you've gotten the right shape, just take that butter and put it on top of your dough. Spread it evenly. Now take some cheese and grate it. You can also use mozzarella cheese, but since I did not have that, I have just used processed cheese and some cheese slices here. Now just take your cheese slices and put it on top like that. The best part about this recipe is you can put as much cheese as you want. And when that's done, you can also put some chopped coriander on top if you'd like. And then just close your bread like that. And pinch the edges to seal them. Do this step well or your bread is going to open up while baking. And once that is done, take your baking pan, put some oil on top of it and grease it well. And then take your bread and put it on top of it. Then just take that butter and grease your bread well with it. Once that is done, take a knife and just score the bread like that. Don't completely detach them, but just make little cuts like that. Once once that is done, just sprinkle some oregano and some chili flakes on top. And your bread is ready to bake. Now put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure that you preheated the oven for at least 10 minutes. And your garlic bread is ready. Look at that beauty. And it smells so amazing, let me tell you guys. I'm gonna show you how it looks like on the inside. Look at that cheese just oozing out of it. And it's even better when you use mozzarella cheese. So please try this recipe at home, you guys. And don't forget to tag me in your pictures and in your stories. Thank you. Hey guys, if you like that video, please give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below what you would like to see next. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and ring that bell icon so you can get future notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.